What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood, you feel me? I hope you are too. I hope I can motivate you to make some beats right now with me, my beautiful lovely subscriber. I hope you got your tea ready as well, you got your laptop ready as well, and let's just start cooking up. I think I want to make something dark today using like those analog type of sounds. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, feel me? Let's grow the channel even more. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. Let's go. Okay, so first off, we're going to put our tempo at 90 BPM, something like that. And I'm going to open up Mini V3. And first off, we need to pick a scale. If you haven't updated your FL Studio, I really recommend you do this, because if you double click, it turns your keyboard into a MIDI controller, but it also has like the other notes and the scales right here. So today we're going to go for minor harmonic in the scale of E. And right now we're just going to look for like a nice sound in Mini V3. If you don't have this plugin, just download the demo. Also, all my drum sounds that I'm using are in the description, so feel free to check it out and download the kit. So let's get it. We're starting off really simple, I know, but just stick around because this beat finna smack and be fire. You wanna get like something repetitive, and then at the end, just like switch it up a little bit. Right now, we're just going to add some chords and build off of that. So let's get it. Hold up, we need to record that in there. like sometimes, do you have that feeling when you're cooking up and you already like know this shit finna smack, bro? Wow, this is too saucy, bro. Like, I'm really excited for the drums. Right now, we need to add like one last layer on top of like the chords, just to like give it like some more emotion and vibes. But after that, we're adding the drums, so let's get it. What I did right here with this sound is just like I took this sound and just like reversed it and cut just like the end part, and that's how you get like this little like fade-in, sweep-in type of stuff. It really adds on nice to the melody, gives like a little bit more sauce. Okay, so I found this nice sound inside of Analog Lab just to get like a little switch up to fill it up a little bit more, because right now it's sounding a little bit empty. I'm going to drag down the sample rate from this sound, so to make it a little bit less harsh, and drag that in there, and just this will just create like a little bit more body to like this part of the melody. And just what we're going to do is add some magic switch to this and a little bit of reverb as well, like that. Oof, oof, beautiful. Time to add some sweet, sweet drums. Right here I want to create like a automation clip, so right click on this and then automate volume, and right like that, and that way it will like fade right into the bridge really smoothly. And then with the transition as well, we can get rid of the bells. Wow, too crazy, bro. I love this beat. There's so much room for a vocal and an artist just to go crazy on it. It is like super mysterious and you don't know what to expect from this beat because it's like it's hidden different. When the drop comes, it's like super quiet, but then like the 808 switch comes and it hits like 10 times harder, and wow, it's crazy. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.